How to find Telegram groups. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram, click on search button located at top right corner of your screen on your Telegram. Then simply search what kind of groups you want. I'll simply search funny. And then as you can see, the groups pop up. I can simply click on the group and then join the group. If you want to create only the groups you want, what you can do is click on pencil-like option at the bottom right corner of your screen, above camera-like option, select people from your contact, or simply press on new group at the top. After you do that, in here you can select your contact, press on arrow-like option at the bottom right, and then your group will be created. And here you can simply only text with people you selected to add in the group. And this is how to find Telegram groups. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.